It's important to be able to talk about your personality and the characteristics of those around you. In this pod, we'll look at this in further detail.
As always, it's important to learn some key vocabulary. We have
Alegre, meaning happy. Cariñoso o cariñosa, meaning affectionate. Cortés, meaning polite. Comprensivo o comprensiva, meaning understanding or sympathetic. Gracioso o graciosa, meaning funny. Hablador o habladora, meaning talkative or chatty. Sensible, meaning sensitive. Valiente, meaning brave. Egoísta, meaning selfish. Estricto o estricta, meaning strict. Maleducado o maleducada, meaning rude. Perezoso o perezosa, meaning lazy. Torpe, meaning clumsy. Travieso o traviesa, meaning naughty. And finally, celoso o celosa, meaning jealous.
Now let's ask Mateo a few questions and work through his answers together. Let's begin by asking him what his parents are like. ¿Cómo son tus padres?
Mis padres son graciosos y cariñosos. Mi madre es habladora, pero ella dice cosas sin pensar. Mi padre es sensible y comprensivo.
Look at the words on the screen and write down any adjectives you can see.
We have graciosos, cariñosos, habladora, sensible, and comprensivo. When we translate into English, Mateo said,
My parents are funny and affectionate. My mother is chatty, but she says things without thinking. My father is sensitive and understanding.
Remember, your adjectives should always agree with the nouns they describe. There are general rules you should be familiar with. If not, feel free to check out our grammar pods. However, some adjectives work a little differently. Those ending in or, ista, have specific rules.
For example, let's look at hablador. The feminine version of this word is habladora. An a is added. Es and as is added for the masculine or feminine plurals. For example, if you said,
Mi mejor amigo es hablador.
you're saying, my best friend is chatty. We know that your best friend is male because amigo and hablador are in masculine form. If we say,
Mi mejor amiga es habladora.
you're still saying my best friend is chatty, but this time we know that your best friend is female. If you have two best friends and they're both women, you could say,
Mis mejores amigas son habladoras.
and if they were both male, you would say,
Mis mejores amigos son habladores.
words ending in ista, which may have an accent upon the I, remain the same in the singular form. An s is added for both the masculine and feminine plural forms. For example, egoísta becomes egoístas. Now, let's ask Sophia a final question about her family and work through the answers together. There may be some phrases you're unfamiliar with, but you should try to work out as much as you can. Feel free to pause the pod if you need to. Sofía, ¿cómo es tu familia?
Mis padres son muy cariñosos. Sin embargo, mi madre es estricta y se irrita mucho si no arreglo mi dormitorio. En mi opinión, mi hermano es bastante travieso. Según mi padre, cuando era pequeña era mucho más traviesa.
Now, let's listen to this again in English.
My parents are very affectionate. However, my mother is strict and very annoyed if I don't tidy my bedroom. In my opinion, my brother is quite naughty. According to my father, when I was little, I was much naughtier.
Why not try structuring these phrases into your own answers? Try to form your own answer to the question, ¿Cómo es tu familia? Good luck.